In a world filled with uncertainties, one of the most alarming threats to our existence is the potential collision of a massive asteroid with Earth. There are thousands of asteroids that orbit very close to the Earth. NEOs, or near-Earth objects, are space objects such as asteroids or comets whose orbits around the Sun place them too close to Earth. While astronomers often use the term close to describe these objects, it does not mean that they will collide with our planet. Instead, it means that they will pass within a certain distance from Earth, typically less than 150 million kilometers or the distance from Earth to the Sun. It's important to note that being classified as a NEO does not necessarily mean that an object is about to hit Earth, but rather that it requires close monitoring. One such NEO that garnered significant attention is the asteroid Apophis. Discovered in 2004, calculations initially indicated that it would crash into Earth on April 13, 2029. This raised concerns among scientists and the public alike, as the asteroid size, over 300 meters in diameter, posed a significant threat. Apophis, initially assigned a hazard index of 4 on the Torino scale, caused significant concern among scientists. The impact force of Apophis remains uncertain, as its composition is still unknown. Initial estimates by NASA specialists placed the impact force at 1,480 megatons, but subsequent calculations reduced it to 506 megatons. While this may seem reassuring, it is essential to note that the impact force is still 10 times greater than the infamous Soviet Tsar bomb. The consequences of an impact in densely populated regions, such as Moscow, would be catastrophic. The entire Moscow region will be engulfed in fires and severe destruction. Minor and moderate damage will extend throughout the entire Central Federal District of Russia. Unfortunately, Ukraine will also suffer significantly. And in some places, windows may shatter. Even in Western Europe, communication will vanish over nearly all of Europe due to the intense ionization of the air. In July 1994, the impact of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 on Jupiter marked the first time in human history that scientists and astronomers could directly observe a space object's impact on a planet in real time. This event had a profound impact on the scientific community and public awareness of the study of near-Earth objects. Prior to this event, it was believed that such impacts only occurred once every few million years, leading to a lack of concern regarding the potential threat to Earth. However, the impact on Jupiter demonstrated that these events are still happening in our solar system and that Earth could meet the same fate at any moment. The discovery of Apophis began on June 19, 2004, when researchers Roy A. Tucker, David J. Thalin, and Fabrizio Berdardi detected a small bright spot in telescope images. Further analysis revealed that this object's orbit indicated a collision course with Earth on April 13, 2029. While the asteroid size was not as massive as the one that killed the dinosaurs, it was still large enough to cause significant destruction. Various global calculation systems made by hundreds of scientists indicate that the next closest approach of Apophis to Earth will occur on April 13, 2029. Experts predict that if Apophis were to hit Earth, it would likely do so somewhere between the Kamchatka Peninsula in Russia and the region of Venezuela. Although the probability of a collision was later downgraded to 0, the trajectory calculations reveal a different story. Apophis is set to pass close to Earth on April 13, 2029, at a distance of about 38,000 kilometers. While NASA experts assure us that the probability of a collision is practically 0, the proximity of this massive asteroid is undeniably unsettling. The question that arises in the face of such a threat is whether we can do anything to prevent it. The idea of sending a drilling rig with a nuclear bomb to destroy the asteroid, as depicted in Hollywood movies, is far from reality. However, altering the trajectory of the asteroid to divert it from Earth is a more feasible approach. The key factor in determining the success of such a mission is the time available between detecting the threat and the predicted collision. One of the most promising methods is the kinetic impactor, which involves colliding a spacecraft with the asteroid to alter its course. In a groundbreaking experiment, NASA tested this method on the Dimorphos asteroid using the DART spacecraft. The collision successfully slowed down Dimorphos's rotation around its larger companion, Didymos. This real-world test of a planetary defense system provides hope for our ability to deal with global threats. The success of the DART mission opens up new possibilities for defending our planet against asteroid impacts. The European Space Agency plans to contribute to planetary defense by sending the Hera spacecraft to the Dimorphos-Didymos asteroid system in 2024. This mission aims to assess the effectiveness of the kinetic impactor and further refine our understanding of asteroid behavior. Moving forward, it is crucial that we remain vigilant in our efforts to identify and track NEOs. The discovery of Apophis serves as a reminder that there are still numerous NEOs out there that have yet to be discovered. While the probability of a catastrophic impact remains low, the potential consequences necessitate ongoing research, preparedness, and the development of strategies to deflect asteroids heading towards Earth. If you really like our video, feel free to support us with a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel Space Bites, and look forward to the videos that will be waiting for you in the future.